How do you perceive the portrayal of women in Indian cinema, particularly in terms of objectification and sexualization? In your opinion, how is the depiction of women evolved over the years in Bollywood movies, especially concerning the roles and representation?
I think the depiction of women in Bollywood movies has definitely evolved over the years. In the past, female characters were often portrayed as solely as love interests for the male protagonist or a distressed woman. However, in recent times, we have seen a shift towards more diverse and nuanced roles for women. They are now portrayed as strong, independent, and capable individuals who can lead the narrative and make a significant impact. This change in representation is a positive step towards gender equality and empowering women in the film industry. There are many more empowering Bollywood movies to explore. One is Neerja, which is based on the true story of a courageous flight attendant who saved passengers during a hijacking. There's one more movie called Piku, which portrays a strong-willed daughter taking care of her aging father while pursuing her own dreams. English Minglish follows a middle-aged woman who learns to assert herself and gain self-confidence. Then there's Lipstick Under My Burqa. It was a story of four women. These films showcase diverse narratives and empower women in unique ways.
What are the thoughts on the impact of objectification and sexualization of women in Indian films on young viewers, especially concerning their perceptions of gender roles and relationships?
I think the impact of objectification and sexualization of women in Indian films on young viewers is a complex issue. It can contribute to the perpetuation of gender stereotypes and reinforce unhealthy ideas about relationships. However, it's important to remember that not all films portray women in this way, and there are many movies that challenge these norms and promote positive gender roles. It's crucial for young viewers to have a critical understanding of media and to be exposed to a diverse range of narratives that promote respect, equality, and empowerment. There are several Bollywood movies that challenge gender stereotypes. One example is Pink, which addresses the issue of a consent and challenges societal perceptions of women's behavior. Another film is Key and Ka, which explores the gender roles by depicting a man who chooses to be a homemaker while his wife pursues her career. English English challenges traditional gender roles by showcasing a woman's journey of self-discovery and empowerment. These movies break stereotypes and encourage viewers to question social norms.
How can filmmakers in the Indian film industry work towards creating more empowering and realistic representations of women to combat gender stereotypes and inequality?
Filmmakers in the Indian film industry can work towards creating more empowering and realistic representations of women by actively seeking diverse perspectives and stories. They can collaborate with female writers, directors, and producers to ensure a more authentic portrayal of women's experiences. It's important to challenge gender stereotypes by showcasing women as multidimensional characters with their own agency, aspirations, and flaws, by promoting equal pay and opportunities for women in the industry. Filmmakers can contribute to a more inclusive and equitable landscape. Additionally, engaging in meaningful conversations and collaborations with organizations working towards gender equality can further amplify the impact of these efforts. There are many empowering Bollywood movies to explore. One example is, if you remember, Chapak, which tells the inspiring story of an acid attack survivor and her journey towards justice and self-acceptance. Another powerful film is Mary Kom, based on the life of a renowned Indian boxer who overcame various challenges to achieve success in a male-dominated sport. So, Padman is a thought-provoking movie that addresses menstrual hygiene and challenges, societal taboos that earlier also I spoke about. These films celebrate resilience, determination, and the strength of the human spirit.